Namaskar. Welcome to the Smart Talks. Today we have our guest Prerna Awasthi with us. Welcome, Prerna.
Hi, thank you so much.
Thanks. So Prerna is a learning and development professional. At the same time, she is a coach and into various following various passions and hobbies. So we would love to know from you, Prerna, that how you are managing your life under this COVID-19.
Okay, thank you so much, Vivek, at first. And I'm really, pleased and happy by seeing my introduction because you are the first person who introduced me like I am the one who love doing many things. Because actually, this is what I am. But people were so strict towards the LinkedIn profile or the profile which I have shared. They never mentioned that. And this is what I am exactly. I know myself as a I would, I really would love to do many things, many different things at one time. And fortunately, by God grace, I'm managing well also. So thankful to them, actually, thankful to him very well for that. So just,
Okay.
yeah.
So, like everyone who we have been into this different situation in this time, and considering you love to do a lot of things, and so how did you see or how did you manage yourself under this different situation? So, what were the key learnings from you from this situation?
See, frankly speaking, if I, as in Prerna, I know this is a tough situation for each one of us. But for myself, I took it as a opportunity to myself because there were a lot of things which I was planning to do before, which I was not getting time due to regular the occupied situation in office and then for the family. But since these things have been started, of course I took all the precaution whatever needed, and we were at home completely. And fortunately my husband is into entertainment industry, so he was also completely supported with me throughout the time. And I took this thing as a very well opportunity, and I learned two new things, if I would say. Since long many time I was trying to learn something spiritually, and which if you must have heard about the chakra healing things and all. So I was doing the chakra healing since very long, but now I have connected to some Sadguru ashram in Kerala, and I have completed the certifications in that. So this is something by which I'm feeling very proud because I myself feel that this is my calling, the spirituality and the discover feminine, for which we are going to talk today. And this is something which I have done 7 years back from now. So that's why only I'm very confident, and I feel that this is something which is my calling. Secondly, for the the COVID situation, I would say that each one of us has got a very quality time with our family, and we have started caring to each other. Means now, I guess to them we probably have not got call. Got time to give call to my own brother or my cousin brother. But now, if I see a simple status in WhatsApp, also I just congratulate him or her, or just say a smiley to them. So this thing have uh, given us a very positive chance to get close to each other, get understand to each other more, which is COVID for me, frankly. So although I've been very positive for everything, so yes, although I lost my job also in between, so so but I am thankful to the my the employer also, because by doing that thing also I get more time for myself.
Yeah,
So
that I was supposed to tell you that. Oh, you got lot of it means lot of privileges you are enjoying.
yes, very true.
Great, great. So we'll know a little more about your spiritual journey later on. So before that, I would like to share with our audience that the topic for the day is discovering your feminine side or discovering feminine in you. So, why there is so much talk about Prerna, this masculine and feminine side these days? What is the reason of getting hype around this?
You know, if I say this is not these days stories only, if I would say far years ago as well, these same stories have been when uh, everyone was is everyone very privileged to discuss about, you know, this is the feminine quality, this is the masculine quality, and everyone have presence of divine feminine and divine masculine quality within them, because we are here to discover the feminine thing. So of course we will talk more about feminine qualities, but you know why we are, because what I believe as an spiritual being, that God and universe have created us for some specific purposes. If we talk about our body is a temple, and there are the you know, chakras which have been handled through our own soul, pure souls. So the masculine, the men, and the feminine, the woman, the God has created them with some balanced forces, with some balanced energies. So for masculine, they have given the different energies to control. For feminine, they have given the different powerful energies to control. So today we will talk about the one who born in the physical reality as female and resisting the divine feminine within them, who wish to come into more alignment with feminine essence. Because, you know, frankly speaking, in a vague language, if I'll say, the moment I was doing my studies, the moment I was into corporate, the women and the girls and the feminine were very much aligned towards हम लड़कों से कम नहीं है. We you know we are the one who can do anything which boys can do. But what I believe, Vivek, very well from the bottom of my heart is, हम लड़कों से कम बिल्कुल नहीं है. Even we have more power. We have more power than men. But we need to see that where that energy aligns. What are the essence of the feminine which we need to understand? Rather than going to the same queue, rather than going to the, you know, the same war zone, we need to understand ourselves first. Why we are here? You know, we must have think about the Adam and Eve, the first god and goddess. So which through them only we can say the men and women arises. So the feminine essence we chose as a, you know, soul at the time of incarnation. So when this happened, me as in Prerna, I have chosen, of course, female body as my soul. So the part of living from the heart and living with integrity is to come into, you know, alignment with the essence of who I am really are. So my request to all the feminine, you know, to all the women from here would be, understand your power, understand your energies. You know, there are lot many things for which the God has created you. Even many of the points where men has had to, men have to, and men are dependent upon you. As a woman and as a human society, we have been in the you know, the resistance to the divine feminine, I would say, within us for the long time ago. The dimension of our existence uh, is based on the idea of constant polar existence. And when I say this polar existence, so what this polar existence is means is simply the dual personality which exists with us. I'll give just you know, give a example of this. The
Mm-hmm.
duality from unity, the dual aspect this unity is God and Goddess. So which is physical dimension is in men and women. If I talk about the energies, means I'm leaving men aside today because we are only you know, covering here the feminine. If I would say the divine feminine in ourselves,
Right, right.
the energies which female or with which the feminine body contains have lot of things. We create life. We have the power of creation. We have the power of renewal. We have the
Mm-hmm.
power of restoration. We have the power of uncertainty, to manage uncertainty. We have the power of moon. Moon says about the calmness. So we have the power of moon. We have the power of connectivity. Even अभी के टाइम पे लोग कहने लगे कि उस लड़की मींस विद ड्यू ऑल रिस्पेक्ट कि फीमेल से कॉल करा लो ना तो कस्टमर जल्दी सेटिस्फाई हो जाता है. So it's about the energy. It's about the connectivity which God has given to us, because we understand another soul very well. Going forward, compassion things, which we possess more than a man. Intuition power, healing power, receptivity, openness. If you talk about why this, things have been, the rebellion thing have come to the women now, because we want to be so open. We want to be, so close and so equal to men also, and so equal to every situation. We never want to listen that, this is a woman, this is a feminine power, so you are aligned with this box. So we don't allow ourselves to listen that. But if you ask me, if I will, or if somebody have discovered their femininehood, their, the feminine essence, in that case, they will proudly say, yeah, okay, I'll go to this division, I'll go for this work. This is something which I am best in. If I talk about the female aura, the female essence, they are very good in nurturing, sensuality. So to come into the expression of divine feminine is to search and connect with these energies, which we all.
So what you are saying is they are different characteristics of the both feminine essence as well as masculine essence, and when it comes to the spatial level of energy, spatial powers which are given to the feminine, those states exist in both men and women simultaneously, and it always exists. But the point here is how we can, like what you are saying is right. In current situation especially, and the example what you have given, it happens commonly. I have seen also that girls are much better in doing certain things, and boys are good in doing certain things because of the different level of energy or different level of powers which they have, and the best utilization of those energies or power in a certain way. Because of that reason, these sayings are, or these common statements are prevailed in our environment or culture since long time, right? So now the question is, so because the topic is discovering feminine in you, so I'm considering, irrespective of the man and woman, this whole focus of the topic is like this. So when it comes to the discovery or channelizing this particular power, how one can understand or go a little deeper and try to figure out whether these anyway where yes, these energies are existing in everyone. So there is no question of whether yes or no, but the different degree must be, different level of degree must be there. So how I can see what kind of energy prevails inside me or in my behavior, how I do things. So how I can analyze, that is the basic question.
Yeah. So actually, I was coming to this point also. You know what I was saying, that we have these all energies inside us. Sometimes I say, when the people come to me for the reincarnation thing, or the people come to me for any kind of counseling, I say to them, don't learn anything. Just delete everything you have learned. And by this way, you are the real picture what God have created to you, and your soul will yourself give you opportunity to understand you much well. So in our modern culture society, it's really hard to cultivate open receptivity. So when you know, compelling in the workplace, like we women, as in what we are doing, we only learn from our senior women who have already who are already working in the environment and how they are managing the things. We only, you know, go to the same straight path. So now I'm coming to your question. Your question was that how one can, you know, understand that these qualities are within them.
Yeah.
So, and how they should understand that out of which what are the qualities within them, because I'm not saying that everyone will be I guess I have mentioned around 20 of the energy parts here, energy things here. So every woman will not be happy and okay to uh, explore all the 20 points, but
Right. Right.
they must be happy to, you know, cultivate 2 or 3 bigger points which will show what they are. Like I'll tell you one very small example over here, that you know, I guess 5 6 years back there was a time I stopped doing makeup. I stopped using makeup at all. And why this thing came to my mind, that every cosmetic company brand promotion में there is only one point that, you know, आप बेड से उठते ही आप सीधे नहीं ऑफिस को नहीं जा सकते, you have to go and you have to look perfect before going out for the office. And this example is only and only for female. वो I guess Fair and Lovely men comes little later, that's a different point of view, we'll also discuss that. But you know, as a female, as a woman, what we think about that and we think by the influence of others only, you know, that if I will not put that mascara, I will not put that lip gloss, in that way I will not look good at all, and I'm not allowed to go office like this. So I just stopped wearing makeup at all. I was not, you know, at all wearing makeup that. And then again I revisited that thought and asked myself that, Prerna, why you should wear the makeup? And why I'm saying Prerna here, because I'm the woman which is available here. So I would really request to all the, you know, the feminine that over there, that if I am putting that lip gloss, if I am putting that mascara, if I'm putting that liner, so I should feel that this is the part which I want to explore myself. This is the, you know, this is me, which I want to show more to the world. And why I'm showing, because I feel happiness about. I'm not showing this thing to the world, or I am not doing makeup for my on my own because I want to show it anyone. I am doing this because I feel happy from inside. I feel very good when I wear high heels. I don't wear high heels because, you know, the people say that in corporate high heels gives you the confidence. No, if the flat wears gives you the confidence, wear it and go. Means this whole idea to discover feminine is to understand your own energy, what this energy is saying to you. One more, one very small example I would say, there are, you know, two neighbors near side to my society only, and one mother is very much involved with the kids. Means वो घर के बाहर भी निकलेगी, always jump out with the kids, and you know, कभी cookies बन रही हैं kids के लिए, कभी मतलब everybody, her whole life is with the kids only throughout, which is very good. And उसके जो छोटे भाई की wife है, she is a different personality altogether. And उसका एक बेटा है, I guess 9-10 years का as of now. And she always try to compare herself with the second lady, and she says ki, I'm not doing justice to my kids because I don't feel, you know, seems happy like her when I'm with my kids, when I'm cooking for them, when I'm, you know, the going out for shopping with them. So here the idea is there is nothing bad in both the women. There's nothing bad in both the women. The only thing is that, you know, the one is having the happiness. He his desire, his happiness comes from giving this, doing work for the family, for the kids. But the other one feels like a prison when the husband goes out and she needs to done work for the kid only. She is having the global, the she's a very aspired lady. She wants to do something else in the society. That doesn't say that her love for the kid is less. Both mothers are equal. Both mothers are, doing good. Even every mother loves the kid much. I mean, it's more. The best thing is that we always say ki mother loves the kids more. So this things comes when we say about the discovering our happiness from inside, from within.
Right.
Our
So,
womanhood is very unique. This is not
so
about any pre-decided theory to define feminine, or to define. I cannot point out these things ki if one lady have these points, then she has discovered the feminine. No, it
so
says,
the point.
yeah,
So point, Prerna, what we are trying to say here is there can be different reasons for everyone to focus upon, and there are different aspects of my personality, or the energy, those are different energies which I have inside me, and this is purely up to me how I'm balancing out different levels of these powers, or aspects of my femininity. So but the what we are trying to still, this is I'm not able to understand here.
yeah.
It happens with everyone. Why it happens with everyone? It happens with me also, that there are a number of traits. It can be a macho man. It can be the someone who go to the gym and having muscles. I don't feel like go to the gym and having big muscles. I don't. But if and in the same way, same way, there is another person who love to do something else, but not what I love to do. So different people have different orientation, different likings, hobbies, passion, and based on that, their life. This is how their life evolves around. And in the same way with the women's only, also. So I'm struggling to understand why we have to discover feminine aspect of my personality. That is because now I understand what is the divine feminine. You have clarified it very initially, and we talked about uh, uh, we as in human being, how we differentiate both masculine aspect and feminine aspect. But I am still trying to figure out why I need to explore this aspect of my personality.
You know, this is our existence.
Right.
So if I really want to understand my existence, in that case, Prerna, has a different, I am a very unique personality. Means in the complete universe, nobody else is there as Prerna. That I understand. Okay. The
Right.
same way every other individual have some unique qualities. But in a whole, there are two human beings, men and women, masculine and feminine. So if I took birth as a feminine here, so my what is, why my existence is there, to understand my existence and to understand the qualities, because we are so influenced from the society, we are so influenced from the traditions which have already been going on. We never sit, introspect and think about that, who we really are, what I am really is, and why I am here in this society, why I'm only trying to do the things for others and looking for the appreciation, and looking for the something which makes other please or other happy.
तो
So
क्या हमारा टॉपिक, अगर हम ये कहें कि अगर हमें इस पे और गहराई से बात करनी है, वी हैव टू गो डीप डाउन इनटू द टॉपिक। क्या हमारा टॉपिक ऐसा हो सकता है कि डिस्कवर द मैस्कुलिन एंड फेमिनाइन इनसाइड यू?
बिल्कुल हो
व्हाई?
सकता है, मैं उसको बोलूंगी अवेकनिंग ऑफ फेमिनिन और अवेकनिंग ऑफ मैस्कुलिन.
Right, right. Yeah, based on the discussion, what I realize is both 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 are totally different from each other. And and when you are talking about the holistically to look into this, I think whether a man or a woman or from the characteristics of a masculine or the feminine, we have to see both the things, or we have to understand both the aspects so that we can be more truthful to ourselves, as well as we can have better opportunity to explore the statement what you made to the purpose of being here, or the higher purpose
हाँ,
of myself being here.
to be happy, the main essence of this is, to be happy from the heart and soul. Everywhere, if I talk about, let's come out little from the spiritual things. If I talk about practical things, everybody is very much so busy in just earning money, in just rushing here and there, stressing their lives. And I appreciate this. Even we do that. We have a living. We do that. But never ever we think about the things that, agar mere paas, which my father used to have the alto at once. अब ऑल्टो थी, ठीक है, जेन आ जाए, जेन थी तो फिर आई गेस फिर कुछ और आया, और अभी टाटा नेक्सॉन इज द लास्ट वन. ओके, सो these expectations are never going down, but we need to ask to ourselves, either men or women, that I'm really happy to have that Tata Nexon, or this is just for some moments, or just for some time, just to give ourselves a proud moment that I have earned so well, so that I am giving my this luxury to my family. So
Hmm.
this topic, you have very well said that awakening the feminine, or awakening the the masculine thing in our souls, in our being, is very much important. And
So,
yeah,
right. Coming back to our question, so according to you, what should we do to enjoy being what we are, rather than I'm saying enjoying being a female for you? I am saying whatever I am, as a Vivek, as a man, as a woman, or Prerna. So how we can uh, how we can enjoy being what we are today?
the one thing which just first thing which will come to my mind will be, is just stop following others for your happiness. Stop following the influence which other gives to your personality. And when I'm talking about others, these others are your parents also. These others are the sisters and brothers as well. And I know, being at the time of upbringing ourselves, we are not that much of mature to think these kind of things ki, Prerna, I need to think for myself, I need to think who I am, and I cannot follow this thing which, because only dad is saying me to do that. But the resistance in traditional ideas, we only, as a female, if I will say, some female give the complete life वो अपनी इस चीज पे दे देती हैं कि I am equal to the men, I can do all the things which men are doing, and I am very different from the other female. And आधी से ज्यादा फीमेल इस ट्रेडिशन को फॉलो करने में लगा देती हैं कि yes, I am the true female. Why? Because I am doing cooking, I dress well, I am taking care of my parents, my in-laws. So in my saying, none of them are actually having the true feminine quality. None of these are making you the true feminine essence. If you really want to understand this, you need to discover in our whole self that what gives you the happiness? Like I rightly said that I gave the example of that two neighbors, the mothers. So none of them is a bad mother at all, but they both have the different life, what to say, the aspirations and the goals. So neither course of actions are represent our true selves. Neither allow us to be who we really are. Instead of being genuine, our true selves are, the very well what our relatives are saying, what my mama ji used to say, that's why I'm like this. My father was never being, shouted at home. That's why I am very patient enough. मैं कभी shout नहीं करता हूँ या मैं कभी shout नहीं करती हूँ. So these are small things which we cater from the society. हमने accept कर लिया है. और what we do know, जब हम ऐसा react करते हैं, we look here and there for the approvals, for the acceptance. We want the appreciation towards it. From even father also, that my dad will be happy if I will not shout and I will not react what I am really feeling, what I really am. If I say Vivek, so let's see, if I say Vivek, you need not to follow that decorum and just share whatever thoughts are coming to your mind for 15 minutes. Okay, so there can be possible that any vague ideas, any vague talking coming to, will come to your mind and you can talk. But how much time you will stop yourself? I'm sure that many times.
Many times. Of course, many times.
Yeah, because हमें सिखा दिया गया है that when we are talking, we need to think twice what we are talking. We need to अच्छा विवेक तुम ना एक topic पे discuss कर रहे हो, yes, you have to be on topic, that's okay. But if I am saying that Vivek ji, you are free to discuss what your real soul is, you are free to discuss whatever you are feeling at this moment, उसके बावजूद भी विवेक जी का जो कॉन्शियस सबकॉन्शियस माइंड होगा वो एक दूसरे से लड़ रहे होंगे और वो रोकेगा कि नहीं नहीं विवेक, अभी तो ना प्रेरणा के साथ ये कॉल चल रहा है और आप ऐसा नहीं रिएक्ट कर सकते.
Right.
So this is where we say that our real feminine or real masculine essence are missing. हम क्या करते हैं, the female, the society where where I brought up, that female is for doing the makeup, female is for study well of course and working, but जो heavy lifting है that men should choose. चाय बनाने की बात आएगी, अगर men और female बैठे हैं तो मतलब ऐसा होगा भी नहीं. कभी कभी शायद थोड़ा हम ज्यादा मॉडर्न में आ गए. मेरे घर में ऐसा मैं देखती हूँ, कई बार मैं बैठी रहती हूँ, भाई उठ के जाता है चाय बनाने, बट स्टिल वो अगर जाएगा भी ना तो हमारे बैक ऑफ द माइंड ये चीज आती है कि यार भैया कैसे जा रहा है चाय बनाने, why not I am going for making the tea. It's a very small thing, लेकिन ये हमारे कल्चर में डाल दिया गया. And again, I'm not saying that this is bad or good, but if I say about the awakening of feminine, I would say any feminine would enjoy doing this. अब आप एक बात समझो, एक होता है ड्यूटी और एक होता है एंजॉयमेंट, एक होता है हैप्पीनेस. सो जब हमें उस चीज को एंजॉय करने में हैप्पीनेस मिल रही है, पूरी तरह फील हो रही है, तब मैं बोलूंगी कि वो फेमिनिन क्वालिटी मेरे लिए है. And simultaneously we have other qualities for men as well. How to be more enjoy as a female, to get into these qualities and followed by in our physical presence of course, which should lead us to the happiness. That is the only whole and soul important thing. One more example I would give it here, Vivek ji. I was counseling to one girl. She is only 17 years now, and उसकी जो ममा है, she was like कि आपको मेनली रहना है, आपको जो फीमेल होती है ना बेटा, जो गर्ली क्वालिटीज होती है वो वीक लोगों की होती है. आप रोगे नहीं, आप किसी के पास हेल्प मांगने नहीं जाओगे. तो ये क्वालिटी मम्मा की है. अभी मम्मा ने क्या किया कि गर्ल इज एट द एज ऑफ 17 years, अभी गर्ल के अंदर भी यही सब चीजें आ रही. And when I told the girl ki beta aap, what is your favorite color, and why we ask the favorite color is in the therapy, I would say, I'll tell you that the favorite colors feel gives us a feel of safety. When you also, I'm sure you must have felt that kabhi aapko bahut zyada टफ सिचुएशन में जाना होता है या किसी मीटिंग में जाना होता है, किसी ऐसी कॉल के लिए जाना होगा जब आप ज्यादा कॉन्फिडेंट फील करना चाहोगे तो अपना फेवरेट कलर वेयर करोगे, which will give you more confidence and which will give you happiness also, और आप because फिर आपको वरी नहीं होना है कि आप कैसे लग रहे हो. So we use this these color therapies also when there is something related to mind problems arises. And the girl told me that, ma'am, pink color. And you will not believe, since the girl was at second or third years of age, उसके wardrobe से pink totally गायब. क्यों? क्योंकि pink girls का color होता है. So why I'm saying that the mother could have been happy. She chose her path. That's okay. But हमारी सोसाइटी में खास तौर से मदर्स का इतना ज्यादा इन्फ्लुएंसेस होता है बच्चों पे, स्पेसिफिकली डॉटर पे. हम लोग बोलते हैं ना, लाइक डॉटर लाइक मदर काइंड ऑफ थिंग, हम ये बोल के खुश होते हैं. बट आई वुड से कि अगर हमें फेमिनिन अवेकनिंग करनी है तो मुझे भी पहले अपनी मम्मा से दूर जाना होगा. एंड दूर जाने का मतलब रिश्ते तोड़ना नहीं, दूर जाने का मतलब कि जो उन्होंने क्वालिटीज, अपनी क्वालिटीज हमारे अंदर देखी है, उसको छिटकना. एक बार ये समझना होगा who we really are. एंड अगर कुछ ऐसी चीजें हैं जो हमें लगता है नहीं मेरे अंदर नहीं होनी चाहिए, तो मुझे उनको हक करके तुरंत फॉरगिव करके आगे बढ़ना होगा.
So,
Yeah.
what I understand here is, it means in the whole process of becoming happy, somewhere we are losing our true self also. Is this the right understanding?
Somewhere we are.
Maybe why I'm saying this, if I'm picking this example, what you have just shared and the previous one also. So of course, there are a lot of things are happening around us. We being a social animal, we cannot survive all alone. So be it at home or outside world or the movies, the cinema, and lot whatever we read, and their teachers in the schools. We are very much influenced by our teachers. So all these influences somewhere consciously and unconsciously making me to adjust or change myself from my natural being, and leading to a situation where I might be happy being like a Shah Rukh Khan, or being like my favorite teacher, or being my father or someone else. But in the whole process, somewhere I'm losing my true self. So that's why I'm asking this. Sometimes I may be happy. Sometimes this mother or kid may be happy. The kid may be happy because her mama loves her. But in the process of all this, she is losing the true self, that her favorite color pink. Or this can be other examples. There can be a number of examples. So this is what I'm understanding here. So how we can save, at the same time we are learning things from our surrounding, and at the same time we can be true self or the natural one what we are. Is this the way under this situation?
See, the first line which you said is very right. This is actually a complete process. And for this process, we as in ourselves really need to understand first that yes, I want this. As in Vivek, you really want to discover your own self. As in Prerna, I really want to, enjoy and having fun with my own self, not the self which have been, the employed by my parents. They have given the birth, they have given me a life. I'm very much thankful to them. But I'm having a different qualities altogether. And like for a female, we need to think that do we really enjoy a man to be a provider of everything? or we really making him do that because the society told us that the men is the one who will go and earn and then feed us, and then we have to sit at home and we have to take care of the home chores and home things. So everything, there are two aspects. One, I chose that. In that case, my soul, my aura is happy. In that case, I have discovered that point as in myself, be it masculine, be it feminine. But if this is what I am expecting because somebody told me that this has to be done, so that is a bad thing. There are women, even in my, when I used to be in MBA, I was studying MBA. In my PG, there was a girl who was really ready, who told me that, Didi, I am just doing this MBA, and after that I want to get married and I want to just take care of the kids and I will be happy. So I would say without any knowledge, agar main aaj sochuu, that girl has already awakened the feminine in herself, because she was really happy. This is what she was. She was accepting that. And if I, as a Prerna, I am not at all a, what to say, the home chore girl, or even I just told you an example that my brother go for making a tea, neither I. So this kind of environment I was having in my, I was like a male person to my family, frankly. So, but here also, after getting married, there are some moments comes in where you need to compromise a little bit and you need to see that nahi beta ye aapko take care karna hai. So अब इस केस में क्या है, आपको रिबेलियन नहीं बन जाना है हर मोमेंट पे, बट आपको अपनी हैप्पीनेस, वो एक बहुत स्मॉल सा पॉइंट होता है, आपको उसको नहीं छोड़ना. अभी ये प्रोसेस में आई हैव ऑलरेडी नोटेड डाउन कि वो क्या चीजें मुझे करनी है या क्या चीजें आपको करनी है, जिससे मैं उस अपने सेल्फ को, जो आपने क्वेश्चन राइटली बोला, हम उसको कैसे पहचानेंगे. तो सबसे पहले तो मुझे ये पूछना है खुद से कि जब मेरा ब्रदर चाय बनाने गया तो मुझे कैसा लगा. अगर मुझे अच्छा लगा, आंसर आएगा अच्छा लगा. अब अच्छा लगा को मुझे आंसर नहीं ले लेना है, फिर से मुझे पूछना है अपने माइंड से कि ये मैं अपने सेल्फ गुड इमोशंस को बोल रहा है या मेरे ये नेगेटिव इमोशंस बोल. अगर ये मेरे नेगेटिव इमोशंस बोल रहे हैं तो इसका मतलब कि मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगा, लेकिन एज इन द प्रैक्टिकल फिजिकल थिंग हेयर, मुझे ये कहने में अच्छा लग रहा है कि मुझे अच्छा लगा जब ब्रदर चाय बनाने. I feel you are not missing it, right? Because this is very very deep things. We really need to understand it.
I'm trying to process it in my mind. That is what I'm
Because
trying.
we have a little less time. In a time of 1 hour, this is big things to understand. Now
Right,
I'm
right,
just
right. Yeah.
quickly coming to your question, which you have asked. How can we tap our the feminine essence? अभी तक तो जो है जो चल रहा है, that's okay, but how do we tap there? So number one, to create. And what create? Anything. We can do art, we can do dancing, we can do painting, we can do any kind of new project, anything. Just create. जो आपकी क्रिएटिविटी ऑफ माइंड है उसको एक्टिवेट करने की जरूरत है. एंड द मोमेंट यू स्टार्ट डूइंग दैट, यू विल फील कि जो ब्लॉकेज है, वो ब्लॉकेज आपकी ऑरा का धीरे धीरे क्लीन हो रहा है. धीरे धीरे यू स्टार्टेड फीलिंग रिफ्रेश. नंबर टू, collaborate. This can be for men also. Many women already, जो मैं आपको एग्जांपल दूंगी, वो ऑलरेडी वुमेन, काफी वुमेन और लेडीज करते हैं, वो अपने घर में किटी पार्टीज रख लेते हैं. सो कोलैबोरेशन का मतलब है कि yes, be with a group of women and discuss what we are. And when I say discuss what we are, nothing like what my mother-in-law told me yesterday, what my husband is earning, what kind of jewelry I bought in. No. Discuss that what I am feeling inside as a soul. meditate. What I feel when periods comes in, what I feel when I go to bed with my husband. Then only you create a real self of yourself. Then only you'll understand to awaken ourselves. And there, the group, when I'm saying, because this is really very important. जब हम open होके वो discussion करते हैं ना, even I do that. There is only 5 women in my group because ये चीजें समझना थोड़ा मुश्किल होता है. So how I do that, I will tell you. We do meditate, and we meditate to our womb, and we feel that the womb is outside, and we are just taking care of it, and we are asking to him it, कि what if I have done anything wrong, what you are feeling about, what I should take care about you, and have I missing anything? So when we do this kind of, believe you in me, this helps a lot. But we need to, very, very honestly accept it and practice it. Here, if I'm talking about the get together, it doesn't mean that no boys allowed. It doesn't mean that only females are allowed there. We say that men don't understand us. So invite men. Who's the open-minded men who are really, wanted to understand the female, understand the feminine in you. Just invite them, and I'm sure you'll get this kind of the good friends nowadays. And we have the people who will understand very well that what kind of soul is just in front of me, and give them that kind of leverage, because they are उस भीड़ से थोड़ा तो अलग हट के हैं वो लोग. That's why they are there with you. अभी इस चीज को मैं थोड़ा सा बहुत पुराने टाइम से जोड़ूंगी. एक शीतला देवी का चेन्नई में टेम्पल है, उसमें ना कलाकृतियां बनी हुई है. तो जैसे अभी हम लोग अगर अल्ट्रासाउंड कराते हैं, तो जो बेबी का पिक्चर आता है अल्ट्रासाउंड में, वो पिक्चर, और काफी ऐसे पिक्चर्स जो शायद, एंड वो टेम्पल बना था 800 years बैक. एंड उसमें कुछ पिक्चर्स है जिसमें सारी लेडीज एक साथ है. आपने भी सुना होगा शायद, कुछ पहले क्या होता था, राजा महाराजाओं के मतलब उनकी रानी का महल ही अलग होता था, जहाँ पे रानी, उनकी दासियां, और वो, मतलब उसमें कोई बुराई नहीं थी, वो यही चीजें थी. इवन हमारे जो एंसेस्टर्स या हमारे जो पहले के लोग थे ना, दे अंडरस्टैंड मोर द सेल्फ, द बीइंग, द गॉड एंड गॉडेस, द मैन एंड वुमेन, एंड इसलिए वो सारी चीजें बनी हुई थी. लेकिन जैसे जैसे हम मॉडर्नाइजेशन अपना रहे हैं, हम धीरे धीरे ये सोच रहे हैं कि नहीं, वी हैव बिकम मॉडर्न, तो हमें ये चीज अवॉइड करनी है. हम नई चीजें अपना सकते हैं, but the things which have been already there, that were for a reason. The third, which is some women can say, because अभी मैं एक गर्ल्स कॉलेज में एक सेमिनार ले रही थी, उसमें कुछ लड़कियों ने ऐसे मुंह पे हाथ रख लिया और दिस काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स. सो वी स्टिल लिव इन that kind of society, but I would say explore your sensuality for the feminine and for the masculine also. And how to explore, for the female, I would say, just see in your home what sort of paintings are there, what kind of paint in your wall. If by seeing this painting, if by seeing that mirror daily, you feel happy, you feel excited, you feel that wow, what kind of environment I'm living in, that means that is already connected to your sensuality. Otherwise, change it and do that kind of interior, do that kind of, place that kind of pictures, place that kind of things at your home, which gives you that feeling. It's for both men and women. So these things will help you to awaken your, the masculine and feminine qualities more. You were about to say something.
Yeah. So this is beautiful that if we try to go little deeper and try to understand if we are trying to understand ourselves better. So there are a couple of practices which we can do. like that's a I like that idea of being discussed in a group of whether if you are a woman in a group of women, and if you are little uh, you want to experiment little more deeper, you can invite the man also, and that group can, you can have those discussions, you can have you can explore
मैं
more.
आपको बता रही हूँ
So
विवेक, मैं आपको बता रही हूँ, देयर आर दी कपल जो शायद आपस में भी बहुत अच्छे से क्लोजली या फिर ऑनेस्टली डिस्कशन नहीं कर पाते. एक वाइफ को भी अपनी माँ की या अपनी नंद की, ये हमारा इंडियन सोसाइटी, इवन इंडियन नहीं, ये बाहर भी ऐसे ही होता है, तो उनकी जरूरत होती है. वाई? बिकॉज हमें बचपन से बोला गया होता है कि बेटा अपने ना अपने सेक्सुअल ऑर्गन्स की बात ना ओपनली नहीं करनी चाहिए, तो उस ओपनली में हम अपने हस्बैंड को भी इन्वॉल्व कर लेते हैं. या फिर बेटा जो आप वेयर कर रहे हो ना उसको बहुत ध्यान से वेयर करना चाहिए. मतलब हम इतना बांध के रखते हैं ना, इतने बॉक्स में अपने आप को कैद कर लिया है कि हम कैसे खुद को पहचाने, हाउ वी विल अंडरस्टैंड दैट हु वी रियली आर.
right, that's why I said the idea which you have given is very good, and I think our listeners or participants can, if they want to take it up further, some of the learnings or some of the practices out of this session, this can be one of those. And then sensuality is something other angle which can help us to understand particular to ourselves little better. That is one more tool you have given during our conversation. So I think these are some of the good ways to know yourself better, to explore your whatever aspect you want to explore. I will say rather to explore yourself, to know yourself, rather forget the feminine or masculine aspect. But if you know, at any given point you will understand what it is all about and what we are talking about. So that can be doable thing at a later stage. But we can start with this awareness kind of things. That is one. So looks like there is lot more which can be done, and time is really something I'm thinking of, that this is very short time to talk about this kind of a topic. But I think that what we did is we initiate a positive conversation on it. We initiate a open discussion on this kind of deep topic, where at least we can take one step or two step from wherever we are to go to the next level. So. So last question to you is, if we want to work towards this direction by using these tools what you have talked about, or some other thing, that, irrespective of that, how do you see the future? How do you see the incoming days? How this is going to be from where you see today people, or today when you are doing counseling sessions or you are visiting, talking to various people. So how do you see current situation, and the kind of awareness, kind of change is happening around us, where it is going? So what is the future looks like to you around this?
You know, uh, you rightly said there is a lot more to discuss about it, because this is not something which we can discuss in 40 minutes time. But
Right.
if somebody like you, if somebody like other persons who are watching us, it means their spiritual journey, their awakening journey have already been started. At first step they have reached today. Second, if I see, and if I wherever I go and to whom I discuss these points, where I see in a future that if we as an individual start allowing us and following these rules, is started open more towards the, be it about the gender, it started open more to ourselves first. So the one thing which
Right.
we will already been will appreciate in ourselves, that we can trust ourselves. I'm telling you, I do the psychological healing and many things. We as in people, many of us are there who really say something else and their mind is saying something else exactly altogether, frankly. Why? because
Yeah.
because this is not what we are. And secondly, how I see the future, if we really started following these things, if really there are many more things that, start seeing your intuitions, more openness, cultivate openness, and many other things. But if we really work upon these things, then I see from my own eyes there is very, happy, cherished environment, and people will be more happy, be it about the male in a female group and female in a male group, but they will feel more good about our own self, and they'll know themselves much more than today, and they'll know that what is coming for them.
So looks
So
like
I see that a better future, and the very happy, because I'm telling you one thing. I just will close it discussion by this. Uh, since I was in my graduation, I was having more male friends. Huh? There were less female friends of my own. So जो उनकी गर्लफ्रेंड्स होती थी ना, वो भी मुझसे बिल्कुल भी फियर फील नहीं करती थी, right? Because मतलब I was very open to everyone. That's why might be I chose this as a career, and now I'm enjoying awakening myself and helping others to get awakened. So the boys used to say me कि तेरे अंदर ऐसा कुछ तो है, I don't know how you can be so open. And when I'm talking about the thought process, I'm very open in the discuss anything. बिकॉज दिस इज हमारा जो बॉडी जो टेम्पल है, अगर हम इसको पूरी जिंदगी भी लगा दें स्टडी करने में, तो देयर आर लॉट मेनी थिंग्स जो कि हमें जाननी चाहिए। और अगर हम उसको छुपाते ही रहे, यही सोचते रहे इनके सामने ये नहीं बोलना है, इनके सामने ये नहीं पहनना है, इनके सामने ये नहीं करना, तो हम अपना एक एक दिन और अपना वो मूवमेंट्स और अपनी बॉडी के साथ अत्याचार कर रहे हैं, अपने सेल्फ के साथ अत्याचार कर रहे हैं। बट दिस इज व्हाट आई फील एंड so
that's a good message. I think that's one of the classical messages we can share with our audience, that अत्याचार मत करिए, और ज्यादा खुश रहने का यही है कि ज्यादा से ज्यादा अपने को जानिए, एंड अपने को जानेंगे तो हम शायद दूसरों को अच्छी तरह जान पाएंगे, और शायद हम खुद को भी खुश रख पाए और हमारे आसपास को भी खुशनुमा बना पाए। तो
हमारे आसपास के लोग ना अपने आप खुश हो जाएंगे। जस्ट वन लाइनर जो मैं बोलती हूँ, trust yourself that whatever you are saying from heart and soul. That's it. अगर आप इतने अवेकन हो गए तो आप खुश रहो, आपको किसी और को खुश बनाने की जरूरत नहीं है। When I speak to the people, वो अपने आप ऑरा में पॉजिटिविटी आ जाती है। मतलब I'm not appraising myself, but this happens with me. So,
right.
so I would just say, just discover yourself. That's it.
Right. With this last message from you, that discover yourself, be patient, explore yourself, and this will make you happy, as well as people will become happy around you. And this, I think, that's the crux of our today's discussion. And if in case there is any more discussion is required, please do write to us. Please let us know. Comment on our channel. We will connect to you. Thank you very much, Prerna, for being with us today. And it was interesting conversation, and knowing you and your this particular aspect of life, which exists in each and every human being. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Vivek ji. Take care.
Bye.
Bye bye.